making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Just getting ready for biscuit icing. I'm so excited.
Have you done this before?
No, but I think I'm going to be terrible at it. My hands are really shaky, so...
Did we discover yesterday that I've also got shaky hands?
I've got a tremor.
So the whole time it was always me going, oh, Joel is great, but when it comes to video he's got a tremor.
Yeah, because we were filming ourselves and Leah had to take it because I was shaking and the camera footage was going like that. Gave it to Leah and hers was exactly the same.
Guys, that's what you get when you spend too much time with Joel.
Yeah,
a tremor.
Shakes.
The shake.
I'm sorry.
That's alright. Makes us unique.
Yeah. Hi guys.
Hi, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today we are at the Biscuiteers in... where are we?
Battersea.
In Battersea.
Yeah.
And we're going to be having an afternoon tea and trialling our skills at icing.
Icing biscuits. So Biscuiteers is an amazing biscuit company. If you're American, then cookies. I guess it'd be called Cookiteers.
Cookiteers if you're American.
And they started, I think, in 2007, and their aim was to create biscuits that looked as good as they tasted and that would look really premium, that you could give as gifts and things like that.
Yeah.
We've wanted to work with them for so long.
And here we are, guys.
Icing our own biscuits.
It's just a super nice place. We first came across this place when I was house sitting in Notting Hill.
Yeah.
Do you remember when we used to film in that really swanky home?
Yeah.
That's when we came across this shop nearby, and I think it was a family-run business, and now they've sort of taken off. They've got a couple of more stores going on around London, so excited to be here.
Exciting.
Would you like me to show you how to do it?
Yes.
Oh yeah,
I'll
definitely.
give you a quick tutorial, but I'll kind of let you get on with it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Do you want to borrow this?
No, not to worry. So I'm just going to pick a biscuit.
Yeah.
Get this one. Now what you want to do is put it between your thumb and your finger.
Okay.
Yes. And you want to get lots of pressure into the bag.
Okay.
So I usually twist the top as well. Like that. And then how you do a straight line is you just start off touching the biscuit and then you lift it up in the air and you drag.
So gravity does it.
Yeah, and then you stop squeezing and you press it down.
You're making this look really easy, but actually it's going to be so hard. I really like that you've given us loads of colours as well. Thanks so much.
It's alright.
So cool.
So you squeeze out, touching the biscuits, lift it up, keep squeezing.
Yeah.
Stop squeezing just before the end.
Okay.
Like that.
Great.
Whoa, okay.
You'll be fine. It's back in.
Ooh.
That's cool. Love that.
Right, so I just did a little practice and Leah was like, I don't need to practice, straight on a cookie. So let's have a look. Oh, biscuit. Why did I call it a cookie?
So there's
wow,
one
well
line.
done.
Thanks, hon.
I love that you're doing it one-handed as well.
Well,
so brave.
Gravity, 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 stop. I mean, it is quite hard, but, oh yeah, see, I've messed up now. But it's fine, I'm gonna make it a feature.
Yeah.
If you mess up, you've got to use it.
Very good.
Just wait for it to focus. How are you getting on?
Yeah, okay. I'm a bit nervous. I think it's a bit messy, but hey, it's fine.
It's fine. We're here to learn.
Oh my gosh. See, my hands do shake a bit.
Okay.
But
Okay.
it's going well. Apparently this icing is made with egg whites, so it makes it stronger, which is good.
Because you're quite into your icing and your baking at home, aren't you? But your icing isn't as thick as that.
No. But that's messy. That's terrible.
I'm giving it a go.
Yours is good.
Thank you. So I gave my writing my best shot. I mean, the S is a bit skew with, or catawampus. Catawampus. That's Joel's little letter. It's upside down. We should, do you reckon we'd be able to take these home? Yeah, I think so. Oh yeah, they're not going to sell them in the shop, are they?
Probably not. Right, so you're going to demonstrate your biscuits to me.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, okay, so this one's still drying. So you got Leah.
Very nice.
Snowflakes. This is an in-joke because we get called snowflakes. This is just man with a big heart.
Yeah, that's boyfriend.
That's boyfriend. And this is Christmas tree.
Oh, so nice. I love the writing.
Thanks, honey.
Very good.
Thank you very much.
That's my snowman.
Love it.
Yeah, he's very cool. Just broke it.
Did you?
Here's my love heart with my initial in because I love myself.
Aww.
As everyone thinks I do. And my Christmas tree, which is different to Leah's, but I'm very proud of it.
Yeah, that looks like it could be sold in the shop.
Thank you.
That's really
good. And then
good.
I ate one that I did really badly, Bad Reindeer. Just shoved it
Shove that in.
Yeah.
And I've got an English breakfast tea. And we've got some more left to do. I think we get to take these home, which is going to be very naughty.
Lucky housemates.
Mine's gone away.
Really?
So it'd be all for
you?
Well, me and you maybe.
Yeah.
Close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la 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 la. Oh oh.
Look at my British penguin.
That's actually really good.
So
that
good.
So good.
That's the best one I've done.
That is so good. Wow. Thoughts, Joel?
Delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious. We haven't even tried it yet. My eyes are saying delicious. Oh my gosh, we've just found out this jam is mulled wine jam. Does it smell like it? Oh my gosh. And then one of this was eggnog flavour macaron. That's a Christmas pudding flavour macaron. Oh my gosh. That looks so nice.
Perfect, thank you so much. My English breakfast tea.
Mulled wine jam. That's incredible. Isn't it?
No, I can taste it.
So good.
The other day I was like, and Mum was like, you've turned into Joel.
That's amazing. I've realised because I think my mum does it.
Oh, so you got it from her?
It's gone through the generations. This is incredible, this salted caramel brownie. You know when things are too nice, you just can't talk.
Can't talk, yeah. No words. No words.
Yeah. So our biscuits are currently in the oven. We didn't realise that they go in the oven once you've iced them.
We were eating them.
We were eating them with raw egg white in them. Oh well, it tasted good.
Yeah. Wow, I wondered why she took them away. I thought she was to get them out of the way.
I know. No, to bake.
So do you think they'll like change colour?
No, they should just go like hard, like this. Like the icing's hard.
Guys, I'm not going to be able to finish my
No, this was our attempt. So full.
I think we're gonna get like a little takeaway.
Yeah, we're gonna be American.
We're takeaway bag, and we're actually filming more videos today.
Yeah.
So more than one out and about video on the same day. Hashtag Vlogmas.
Vlogmas. We're just boxing up the cakes that we didn't eat. Look at this. Biscuiteers fancy cakes. So we've got our biscuits back. Here are some of mine. And then, here we go. Biscuiteers, our special one in a special box. And Leah's are there.
So that's the end of the video, guys. We had such a good time.
Yeah.
We've got all our biscuits in a box.
And we were just saying, we just surprised ourselves by the end of it how good they were.
Yeah, we were very impressed. We were like, oh, we thought we did really well.
We should get a job here, surely. Let us know what you thought of our cookies or biscuits. Yeah, I'd love to hear your opinions.
And big thank you to the Biscuiteers for having us.
Yeah, if you're in London and you're a tourist especially and you want to get a really special present to take home, definitely stop by one of their shops. Their biscuits are incredible.
So you've got one shop in Battersea, here where we are here on Northcote Road, and the other one in Notting Hill.
Yeah.
So really easy to find. And yeah, that's been the end of the video. We'll see you soon.
Yeah, see you soon.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Vlogmas, of course. See you soon, guys. Bye.